The new Ford Bronco Raptor exhaust. Is it the EcoBoost V6? Now, the Bronco Nation has received exclusive Bronco Raptor content from Ford Motor Company. They always, they are the Bronco Nation, and they're owned by Ford through a marketing firm called Jackson Dawson Communications. Now, this video is an exhaust clip with a pedal to the floor acceleration, which reveals the features of a V6. And we're talking about 330 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque. And it sounds amazing. And it sounds like 3.0 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. At one point, everybody thought it was the Explorer ST. And that's the route that I tend to believe. Tell me what you guys believe in the comments. This V6 engine, 400 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque. Features the 10R60 automatic transmission. More boost, which will improve the torque. The 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6. But hey, what will Ford do? Can it actually come close to the 6.4 liter Hemi and the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392? Now, if the Bronco Raptor is to be taken seriously, it's going to have to compete with the big dogs. What can you imagine? Can you imagine? But what I can see is a regular Raptor engine going into this from the Ford F-150 Raptor. That's just it's almost like a shoe-in because it's in the Raptor family. But what will happen? We don't know. Will they be able to compete with the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392? Hey, who knows? But I tell you one thing. More than 80 inches wide. That amber marker lights. Not like the 79.3 inches on a wild track. The Raptor is definitely going to be something special, folks. Now, Ford says that it's going to be available in the summer of 2022, which means it's been pushed back to the 2023 model year. So we just wonder what's going to happen. But this does sound awesome. Tell me what you guys think this engine is in the comments. And tell me what you guys think. This is pretty awesome, folks. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.